before.
Maybe that's because I ain't ever been around here.
What are you up to, buddy?
What's it to you?
Now, look. I'm in a nice, clean town here, and I don't want any trouble. My advice to you is just follow the sun on out of here.
The only reason I ain't moving on is because you stopped to give me the breeze.